Everywhere I look right now, someone's claiming AI dropshipping is printing money.
I've made millions of dollars with dropshipping.
I've made millions of dollars through dropshipping.
$661,000?
$1.1 million in dropshipping.
500 a day, thousands a month, completely passive. But if it was that easy, I mean, come on, everyone would already be rich. Look, I've already made millions with ecom, but I've also watched thousands of people lose money chasing shiny objects and getting sold on get-rich-quick schemes. So in this video, instead of just talking to you about AI dropshipping, let's actually take this money-making scheme and put it to the test over the next 24 hours. But since I'm not a beginner myself, it's only fair if we put some rules or restrictions on me here. So rule number 1, this whole thing has to cost me less than $100 in expenses. Rule 2, the store has to be built in less than 60 minutes. Rule 3, the only tools that I can use will be my laptop and iPhone. And no, I can't use any of my personal connections or anything like that either. So if this doesn't work under those 3 rules, then I'll admit beginners should not be touching this business model. All right, so the timer starts now. And we've got 3 main things to do here. Firstly, we have to set up our store, then we'll be selecting our product, and then creating and launching ads. I think that's pretty much it. Now for the first step, creating the store itself, this is where AI should be saving us a boatload of time. And this tool right here will generate you a Shopify store structure fast. No inventory, no shipping headaches. When somebody places an order, your supplier will fulfill it automatically when you set up your store using this tool. And the process is dead simple, and it's not going to cost us anything apart from $1 a month to actually be on Shopify. So if you want to follow along, just head down to the description and click on the first link, which is going to be the free AI store builder link. So it'll take you to this page that you see me on right now. And after running through a couple of quick questions here and just connecting a couple of things, we're pretty much done, which is so crazy because back when I first started dropshipping, to get store templates like these, it would cost at least $300, plus all the apps and features that it already includes would be easily another $200 because you'd have to buy them separately. But now it's all free and it's all combined in one tool that completely does everything for you. And it already comes pre-installed with AutoDS as your supplier. All right, so the store we got here is also fully loaded with some pretty good products and everything's technically ready to go live. But again, if it were that easy, then everyone would be rich, surely. So let's at least spend a little bit of time selecting our own product that we want to use for this challenge. Now, you see, most beginners select their products and niches based on what they think they would buy. And that's how you lose money, because think about it. Just because you are here binging how to make money online challenges on YouTube, it doesn't mean that the majority of people watching YouTube wouldn't prefer to go watch a Mr. Beast video instead. Now, the same rule applies for people who are buying products. You don't just choose your product only based on what you already like. Instead, you need to pick the product based on what's selling well right now. Mass demand, impulse buyers, and endless product angles, that's the main criteria that I'm looking for. Now, in the past, my go-to method has been to jump on TikTok and just start scrolling until I find viral products. Then I would go and check the Meta Ads library, which is free online, put out by Facebook, and it basically allows you to scroll tons of different high-performing ads from all the different companies that are advertising on Facebook. I would make sure that there's other competitors selling that product well, and I would get a ton of inspiration from the ads that they are running. And look, that method still works great, but given our serious self-imposed time limit here, we need something better, something faster. Now, I'm still building ecom brands to this day, so my team and I have come up with a special product research prompt, and all you have to do is feed this prompt into ChatGPT or Claude. So here's what the prompt looks like, just in case you wanted to see. But literally all you have to do is copy all of it and just go ahead and paste it into ChatGPT. And after using this prompt myself, I eventually narrowed down my search to this one product that I thought would be the perfect product for this challenge. All right, so I've decided to call this the Velixa Neck and Shoulder Massager. I know, I probably could have been a little more creative with the name there, but I think it works and it fits with sort of the clean and minimalistic approach I took to the landing page. So we have a few super clean AI product images here. And as you guys can see, you want a couple nice close-up shots of the product itself, Before and afters for these types of products tend to work very well as well. And then just simply showing somebody happy and using the product while giving a few benefit-driven points is usually what I like to go for clean and simple product images like these. Now you can see I've also done a little upsell here, so if you buy 2, you end up saving a little bit more money, and you'd be surprised at how many people are doing this. If people find a great product that they want, chances are they're thinking about buying one for their friend or family member as well. And so even just offering bundles with more quantities of the same product is a great place to start for increasing your average order value, and you can even do this off the rip very easily on any product test. Now down here I have a couple of different trust badges, the specifications. We went with a 14-day money-back guarantee, basically ensuring that if you're not 100% satisfied, you can simply ask for a refund and we'll send you your money back. Now in terms of shipping, we just tell people when they can expect their order, and this is pretty standard with AutoDS. AutoDS has some of the best shipping in the game, and even though we say our current shipping times are between 5 to 9 business days, it usually gets there a lot faster. But we do this strategically so that the customers can feel even better when they get their product faster than they were expecting. Now for the rest of the product page, we just have a couple of GIFs of the product in action and people enjoying it and using it. Instead of giving people all the technical specifications, we like to tell them the end outcome or the result of what happens when they buy our product, such as making their body calmer instantly. When you focus on the benefits or the outcome instead of just selling the features and the technicalities, this is what really drives people to actually make a purchase. And then finally, for the last section, we have a few different AI videos of testimonials from previous happy customers. And I know these aren't real, of course, but hey, you got to start somewhere if you're a brand new business owner. And down here, we just have a few frequently asked questions. I figured this out by asking ChatGPT what customers would naturally ask next before buying a product like this, and then just ensuring that people have all the information they need before making their purchase. Now here's the AliExpress listing for the product. As you can see, it's $35 Canadian, which is about $25 USD, and I plan on selling this thing for $70 USD. So that gives me a super nice, almost 3x margin. And the great thing about this product as well is it has such a high perceived value because it is kind of a tech product. You know, it has an electronic component, you have to charge it, and people really assume that these types of products are worth hundreds of dollars or more. So the perceived value on it is so much higher than the actual cost that we're charging. On top of that, we can see the AliExpress listing has tons of great reviews from thousands of different people and over 5,000 units sold. Just to read you the context quickly of what you're feeding to ChatGPT, we're basically saying, hey ChatGPT, you're building a dropshipping product research bot with one singular purpose. You need to identify winning products and provide compelling evidence for why they will make money. The bot must provide working AutoDS and AliExpress links to actual products, not just some generic search instructions or incorrect URLs. Each product recommendation must demonstrate thorough market research, including viral momentum, emotional appeal, trend data, pain points, and profit validation. It's really crazy how far AI has came today. Not only do we give it the context, we can give it its role and make sure it's stepping into the right personality to actually find these products. And then with all of the actions that we've given it, this prompt basically ensures that you're gonna get the most high quality, data-backed, trending winning products off of ChatGPT than you'd be able to with any other simple prompt. Perhaps the most beautiful thing about AI dropshipping is that once you know what your product is gonna be, in literally one click, you can paste it into AutoDS and it will show up on your store ready to go. On top of that, you don't even need to manage the product yourself. Orders will be double checked for quality, shipped out on time, tracking emails will be sent to new customers, all using AutoDS's new AI features. It's pretty much a cheat code for starting dropshipping today. And it's basically like having multiple employees all working on your business, except this will literally only cost you $1 a month to get started. So yeah, AutoDS has completely revolutionized the dropshipping game. And the best part is that when you use Build Your Store, all of this automatically gets connected to your Shopify store anyway. But I'll leave another link in the description just in case you ever need to reconnect it to AutoDS. All right, so after I did a few small tweaks myself inside Shopify, this is how our landing page came out. Okay, now comes the fun part. We need to get people to get onto our store and buy our product. And the best and fastest way to do that is with paid ads. Not any kind of paid ads though, but AI UGC ads. Now, if you're wondering what in the hell I just said, or if that was even still English, all I'm saying is that AI can now create fake humans to advertise for us. And honestly, it's getting a bit out of hand, but hey, at least you and I can profit from it. All right, so what I'll do now is I'll grab content straight from AutoDS of the product, And I'll also check some other royalty-free sites on the internet. And then I'll fire up ARC ads to create my fake human to say nice things about the product. I'll be linking ARC ads in the description so you can check them out too. Now, obviously there'll be some level of manual work here. We'll add some B-roll clips, some music, and overall make these ads look nice. And this is really easy to do nowadays. You can literally use CapCut on your iPhone and follow the basic instructions when you download the app to edit the video how you wish in just a few clicks. But if you've seen any of my previous challenges, you guys would know I'm super lazy with this stuff, so I actually already got my influencer girlfriend working on these ads for me. Don't worry, if you don't have an influencer girlfriend yet, the blueprint is actually quite simple. Just make millions dropshipping, and then just dropship your girlfriend from some exotic part of the planet. I'm completely kidding, by the way. So here are some ads that we just cooked up.
Of course, everybody says it looks weird until you try it. This is the viral neck massager you see all over TikTok Shop.
All right, so now all we have left to do is to go ahead and launch these ads on the most goated ad platform ever, our hero and savior, Facebook, Meta. Because nothing ever goes wrong on Meta. Now, I'm gonna have the screen recording of me setting up these ads rolling just in case you wanna see the exact structure of what we're doing. But basically, I'm keeping things super broad and I'm leaving Meta's algorithm to do all the heavy lifting for us. Anyone who tries to sell you on some fancy or flashy ad strategy is completely capping, because in today's day and age, this platform has generated an unfathomable amount of data on its users, which means that it can target your ideal customers a lot better than you think that you can. So if you want to spend some time optimizing before launching, definitely don't spend your time in the ads manager trying to make the perfect ad strategy. Instead, just focus on making your ads better. Put more thought into the editing process behind the creatives. Put more thought into the clip selection. This is what's gonna take you farther and make you more money, rather than thinking there's some magic ad strategy that will make you millions. Just like that, everything is set up and ready to go live at midnight tonight. So with all that being said, I will see you guys in 24 hours, well, 23 hours from now for the results. All right, guys, it's the next day. And when I woke up this morning, I honestly wasn't too pleased because I didn't see any results, but then bang, we just got a sale 2 minutes ago, $70. So it looks like a single order just rolled through, but hey, off to a good start, and we have a few more hours left. So hopefully we can get another 1 or 2 in the door before this challenge ends. Quick update. It turns out the last sale that we got was literally 20 minutes into the ads going live. Sometimes, guys, the ads are in review for a long time on Facebook before they finally go live. So the good news was we literally spent $9 to acquire that customer, and now we have a double order that just came through. $118 double order. This is insane. Like, I was expecting a lot more struggle because I just did a 7-day challenge and it went horribly. So I'm looking forward to more smooth sailing. And when I go over the final results this time, hopefully we can prove that dropshipping is not dead. And in fact, now is literally the best time and the easiest time to start. Well, just like that, the challenge is officially over. Listen, the money we made in this challenge, it won't knock your socks off. It's not exactly life-changing or anything, but man, it was fun, and it takes me back to when everything first started for me with dropshipping. The only difference today is that with the AI tools that we have available, things are 10 times easier, and you saw how quickly I set everything up. And on top of that, the fact that we actually made money in less than 24 hours should give you all the proof of concept that you need to get out there and at least try this for yourself. And I get it, this isn't exactly passive income, but it is leveraged income. You know, we set this up once and the money rolled in while I was out and about going about my day. And the AI tools that we used, you know, they don't replace doing the work itself or even the thinking behind it, but they certainly help us get everything rolling way faster. So with that being said, we brought in a grand total of $188.98. We sold 3 units, and for the cost of the units plus shipping, that's about $75. Now the fees and the subscriptions, so the $1 a month for Shopify and AutoDS adds up to about $5. And actually on the ads, we only spent $57. So we actually spent a little bit less than that $100 budget to even make these 3 sales. So all in all, total revenue, $189, total expenses, $137. We actually came out in the green $52. And I'd say that given the time that we had and the restrictions that I put on myself, I'd consider this a success. Now, if you guys want to see a part 2 where I scale this properly, you know, more time, more traffic, more testing, I'm happy to do it for you, but only if you guys want to see reality, not hype. Because I can almost guarantee you that, you know, we're not going to make tens of thousands of dollars overnight. And if I do this for a lot longer, we will struggle. Shit will go wrong, but, you know, just maybe if we don't give up, we can make some money and some bigger money next time around. So now, I also said earlier in this video that if you made it to the end, I'd give you a gift. So if you go to the description and you check the last link, you'll see a resource pack including the winning product prompts, build your store, discount codes, and everything else we use to make this challenge possible. And also, if you happen to enjoy watching me struggle, I did attempt another 7-day AI dropshipping challenge that you can watch up here. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.